words don't mean nothing without you. I got these priorities, they always get on top of me, and they're weighing me down, and I feel like you're never now. So I'm changing my priorities, and ain't nobody stopping me. You could leave me a mess on the floor, but you're someone worth changing them for. I just hope you're changing yours. Yeah.
Hello. We're doing this little intermediate contemporary / lyrical today, and it's really not very difficult, but there are a couple little like tricks, so to speak, that I will give you modifications for, so don't worry if you can't do them. You can do something else. Also, this video is going to be mirrored, which means I'm flip-flopping the screen, so if I say go to the right, it's gonna look like the right to you, and hopefully that will be helpful for you to learn. Please let me know in the comments if there's anything else you can suggest to me to help you guys be able to learn virtually. I'm gonna try my best in the future to have someone help me film, that way they can get other angles and it's not just like one-man show, but this is what we're working with for now. So let's just get started with the combo. Okay, the beginning is a little gestural thing. It's just kind of like arms, and you need to know it because it comes back again at the end. You're gonna take your right hand to your face on 1. You're pushing your head to the left. 1. Then you're gonna grab your other arm or your other hand and touch your pocket on 2. Then you're gonna switch that whole thing over on 3. And then you're gonna bring it all down on 4. So once again, it goes push it on 1, pocket 2, other pocket 3, drop it down on 4. With the words, it's I got these pry. Now on orities or on 5/6, you're gonna lift up into a passe with a flexed foot. Your arms are going straight up. And I'm gonna also go on releve 5/6. So you really gotta push through the floor, hold those abs tight so that you can hold that 5/6. And you're reaching, looking up. Nice and beautiful. And from there on 5/6, you're gonna drop it down 7/8, all the way down. Your feet are parallel. You're just like over, but to the front. Okay. Let's recap that with counts. You go head on 1, pocket 2, switch it 3, down 4, up on 5, 6, drop it 7, 8. With the words, he says, I got these priorities. Drop it on the silence. Cool, let's try that with the music. First 8 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, up and drop. One more time, just like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Go ahead. Pocket, drop and lift down. Sweet. So you're dropped down here. From there, you're gonna go into this little sumo second position with your arms spreading down like this, and my head is staying looking down towards the floor. So if you look at me from the side, I'm in like this flat back kind of situation. Looks a little crazy, but it's just a transition. So you did 5, 6, down 7, 8. You go down 1, 2, step with your left behind, 3, bring your right leg up into an envelope, I said that weird, which means straight leg, then bend it in, bring it back. The counts for that little situation goes 1 step, 2, go 3 and 4. Again, 1, 2, 3 and 4. From there, you may want to modify this, depends on your level and what floor you're on. You're going to do a toe roll down to the floor. My arms are swooping big around me and I'm arching my back and looking 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. Okay, that sounded worse than it was. I promise I didn't hurt myself, help. So you're down here on your knees. If you don't want to do that, you can instead go 1, 2, 3 and 4. Just drop it down 5, 6. Left leg, right leg into this position. No matter which one you choose, make sure you're facing the diagonal and your hands are down on the floor. And actually, I lied. You do have a while. You have 5, 6, 7, 8 to get here. So you either have 5, 6, 7, 8 or step 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's keep going. One more 8 count. you're down. You're gonna push away, really dramatic, push away from the front. So just like literally push into the floor so that it's really big. 1, 2, and then you push away from the diagonal, 3, 4. Okay, and I think he says, they're weighing, okay? All right, let's just finish this 8 count. They're weighing me. Roll on your back. Hopefully you guys can see this. Tuck and roll on your back here to the left and stand up. Okay, let me give you counts for all of that and go over it one more time. So you do your little sumo on 1, 2, 3, 4. It goes sumo 1, step 2, 3, and 4. You have a whole 5, 6, 7, 8 to go down, or you have 5, 6, 7, 8. Then you push away from the front on 1, 2. Push away from the diagonal, 3, 4. Then roll on your back, and I want you to try and think of having contact with the floor here. So I know it's quick, but try and get both shoulder blades and your back on the floor as you roll. Roll here, stand up by 7, 8. Use your hand to help you to get up quickly. Let's go all the way from the beginning, a little bit faster with counts, and then I'll give you the music. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up 5, 6, down 7. Go 1, 2, 3, and 4. Go 5, 6, 7. Push 1, 2, push 3, and roll 6, 7, up 8. I was definitely marking because I did not get my spine on the floor like I said to. Do as I say, not as I do. Let's try it with music. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2, 3, 4, up 5, drop. 1, step, envelope, and drop it down. And push, push, roll. Roll faster than I just rolled. Go fast. Let's do that again. I'm gonna do the step down this time. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, and up and drop. 1, 2, and passe, step, down, and push, push, and roll. So don't think that you have to like stand up fully like this on 8. I know it's really quick. This next move you can kind of carry into it, so you can roll into this. What you're doing is you're stepping forward with your right leg, and I'm going to my left diagonal, and I just do a big reach, 1, 2. My arms go open to a T, pulling forward into this like first position, rounded arms. Yeah, so that's 1, 2. Then you're gonna take that right leg back behind you into an arabesque, 3, 4. So you just stood up, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. Step on this right leg that's up in the air, okay? You step. 5, step 6. You're turning around yourself to go 7, 8, little head roll around with your arms out in a T, looking up. Going over that 8 count one more time. You stood up from your roll. You reach forward, 1, 2. Arabesque, 3, 4. Step on that leg. 5, 6, around 7, 8. Try that just a little bit faster, pretending you just rolled up from the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step, step, around. Good, let me give you one more 8 count. So you just went around. You're gonna step on your right leg and bring your right arm up. You step back, 1, step left, 2. Step right, 3, step left, 4. So it goes back, back, front, front. And this is a prep for a pirouette. So you should be kind of in this sort of position facing the diagonal. And your arm is just going around and forward. I keep the other one on my pocket, my left one. Watch that. You go back, back, front, front. Okay, and from here you're gonna do a double pirouette if you can. If not, just, do a single, and you don't even have to do it like this if you don't want to. You could do a pencil turn flexed. You could do it on the floor, however you would like. I'm gonna do double pirouette with my arms, one arm up like this, double, double, here, and then on 7-8, right out of that releve, I'm shooting 7-8. So depending on what turn you do, if maybe you do it here, just make sure you go 7-8. You swipe your arms, and the left leg does a little rond de jambe to the back. Let's go back to where we just stood up off the floor. So we're reaching an arabesque and rolling. 5, 6, 7, reach it, 1, 2, go 3, 4. You step, step around. Now we prep, 2, 3, 4, turn, and shoot around. Yeah, the counts for that whole section. 1, 2, 3, 4, turn 5, 6, shoot 7, 8. I'm gonna play the music. I'm gonna mark up until that point, but I'm gonna play it from the beginning, so go ahead and do it if you want.
So why am I singing about you?
Here we go.
Words only nothing.
5, 6, 7, and a 1, 2, 3, 4, up and down. Sumo, and all the way down, push, away, away, roll on your back. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, step, step around. 1, 2, 3, hit, hit, swoop. One more time, just like that. I'm gonna do the beginning as well. 5, 6, 7, 8. Head, pocket, pocket, drop it, bring it up, down. Sumo, envelope, and down. Push, push, and roll. Reach, arabesque. Step, step around, prep. 1, 2, 3, 4, hit, hit, around. Okay, so we went 7, 8. You're gonna step on that right leg. 1, 2. This is slow, make sure you count it. 1, 2, then you replace it with the other foot and do a drop down, 3, 4. So you're in this position, okay? Fall down more gracefully than I did. I low-key kind of slipped right there, so you just swoop, you step 1, 2, down the diagonal, 3, 4. You're here, like you're doing a stretch. You're gonna turn that body around into a plank facing the other diagonal, and you're rolling your head. And honestly, it's not a plank, because look, my hips are really dropped, kind of arching my back. So it's a fake plank. The counts went step 1, 2, drop 3, 4, 5, 6, head 7, 8. Cool, from here, go down onto that left side. You're not actually going all the way down onto the hip. You wanna keep your hips up. You're gonna extend your right leg up for 1, 2, and then you bring it up just bent, 3, 4. So the first time your leg extends all the way up and your arm extends all the way up. You go 1, 2, then you go 3, 4, just bent. And then from here, let's just keep going. You're gonna roll, 3, 4, roll to the back to stand up. We're almost done, okay? Let me go over that again. We did turn on 5, 6, shoot 7, 8. Step 1, 2, drop it, 3, 4, roll 5, 6, 7, 8. You bring it up, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and roll 5, 6, 7, 8, however you need to get up. So I believe with the words, the leg part, it goes, you could leave me a mess on the floor, rolling up. Listen to it. I'm gonna mark up until this little reach 1, 2, arabesque, 3, 4. I'll count you in. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, head, pocket, pocket, drop it up and down. Sumo, envelope, around, and push, push, roll. Here we go. Reach, arabesque, step, step around, prep, 2, 3, 4, hit, hit, around. Step 1, 2, 3, head, and a leg, leg, roll. Let's do that again. Here we go. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, up and drop. Sumo, envelope, drop. Push, push, and a roll. We reach. 1, 2, 3, step, step, round, prep. 1, 2, 3, hit, hit, around, step. 1, 2, 3, head roll. Leg, around, and up. Okay, we're literally almost there. You stood up. You're gonna step forward on your right leg and do this little reach. Your right arm, right hand is on your pocket. So you reach 1, pull it in 2, like this. Pull it into your other pocket. Reach 1, pull it in 2, 1 more reach, just like that. 3, you're gonna step back on that leg. 4, do any kind of extension with that leg that you want, or arm extension, I don't care. I'm gonna do a leg extension up with a flexed foot. You could do like a reach forward, you could do an arabesque, whatever you would like, but just make sure the counts are reach 1, 2, 3, step 4, extend 5, 6, 7, 8. And then the end is the same gesture as the beginning, so you already know it, and it goes 5, 6, 7, 8. Look up on 1 and point. Because he says, and I hope you're changing yours. And there's a little hesitation. He doesn't, it's not 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. It's like 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. You'll hear it, but let's back it up. You did on the floor your little leg. Leg and leg, you rolled up, 6, 7. We reach, 1, 2, 3, step, extend, 6, 7, 8. And I don't know, I think there's a 4 count break because this is 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. I'm just gonna play the music and you can just watch if you want so you can catch the timing. 5, 6, 7, reach, reach, extend, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Hopefully that makes sense. So the very end, all you do is reach 1, 2, reach 3, step 4, extend, 6, 7, 8, 5, 6, 7, 8, up. Let's try it from the very beginning, couple of times through, and then that's it. Make sure that if you do this combo and you want to share it with me, feel free to post it on your story and tag me, or post it as a post and tag me, or just DM me if you're feeling a little bit shy. But I love to see you guys doing my combos. Like, it literally makes my whole entire day every time I get a DM from someone with the combo. So just saying, let's try it from the top. Here we go. 5, 6, 7. Head, pocket, pocket, drop and lift, down. Sumo and envelope, drop. And push, push and roll. We reach, reach, arabesque, step, prep. 1, 2, 3. Hit, hit, around, step. 1, 2, 3. Head roll, now legs. Up and up, roll and reach, reach. Reach, step, extend, and head, pocket, pocket, drop, look. Let's do it one more time, y'all. 5, 6, 7.